Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, guys. All right, hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, so let's see. Today is 26th of January. Yeah, thank you so much for coming back. And okay, sorry, clicked the wrong thing. Okay, so yep, we are on the 25th or 26th today. So sorry, huh? Very sorry. Okay, so I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, so yep, let's go on and see if we are getting something. Okay, yep. All right. Hi, Dobra Jutro, Caro. Yes, good morning, JJ. Ahead, I give up on trying to beat Caro the goal. Yes, happy Indian Republic Day. Namaste. Thank you. That's very good. Okay, happy. Today is a happy day, right? Okay, so yep, and let's come in and let's see. Where are we? Okay, now what's this? Okay. Do we have something that we are looking out for today? Well, congratulations to people out there who taken their profit for the euro dollar, like Caro. Congratulations. Okay, another one would be who else? Of course, Hubert and Tim. Okay, Hubert and Tim. Okay, so very good, well done, and welcome, Eileen. Thank you so much for coming in, Eileen. Right, so do you want to on your mind and say hi to me? All right, so yeah, and more to go, a little bit more. Okay, and of course, congrats myself. Okay, I also got a $1,000 and close for the week. Okay, close for the week. Yeah, this is the every week I'm aiming that amount to sustain my living. So I think that's good. Congratulations, JJ. GUTP, very good. Nice. Okay, fantastic. So what am I going to do actually right now? Okay, let's see. Hi, Sabrina. Nice. Thank you so much, Sabrina. Okay, so yes, Christopher from Hong Kong. Nice. Okay, are you ready? Let me have a sip. The weather is real cold, huh? Let me have some hot drinks. Yeah. All right. Okay. Right. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Right, no cowboy style today. That's me done for today. That's nice of you, JJ. Okay, and Bradley GUTP times. Wow, nice, fantastic, very good. Well, wow, all of you are so good, so nice. Well done, man. Okay, so over here, okay, over here, and I think it's also good to see everybody here. Get the TP, and today I will say today we are actually on the Friday, right? So Friday. So what is Friday? Okay, then we may want to take a look on how to preserve our profits here. Okay, yep, and let's take a look. All right, there it goes. Okay, here is my. This is my. Hang on, let me do a screen sharing. Okay. Screen sharing. Right. Screen sharing over here. Actually, let me see. Okay, let me do a different screen sharing now. Okay. Let me check. Can you see? Can you see the screen sharing? Okay. Let's check. Let's check. Right. Wow, I have so many screen to share. Which one to share? Okay. Okay, yes, all right. So come back here. Okay, so good. All right. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, JJ. All right. So the MT4? Yes, can, huh? All right, that's good. That's good. Um okay. Ah, cannot. Okay. Um oh, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Understood, understood. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. 好了，好了. Understand, understand. Okay, so I shall do it. I shall do it. Okay, so since that's the case, all right. Okay, so yep, and let's go. Talk about the goal. Let's go with the goal. Okay, we are going to take 2024 as the Hong Kong high here, right? Okay, so yesterday, let's have a little recap. Let's have a little recap about yesterday. Yep, and looks like we have all these we have all these. Yesterday was talking about this area. Okay, if it set up a support, it may continue to go up. Yep. Okay, it went up. I think as high here on 20 pips. After that, it went down into this area, then it actually swept out. Okay. Okay, so it's really swept it out. Then support comes to this level of this area. Okay, then after that we are actually going back. Okay, then after that swing up again. Right, swing up again. Okay. Uh, because I'm hearing myself, I find it so funny. Then when I talk, and I realize I cannot speak properly. All right, so just give me a little while. Okay, let me switch my earpiece. Okay. Where am I now? Okay. Let's see. Okay, you are live. Okay, right. I'm gonna put it off for this side. Right. Okay, you can see. Okay, I think you can see here. Huh? Okay. 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 Yep. Yeah, you're always on your Apple product, right? An apple a day brings a doctor away. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi guys. Happy Friday. So wow. Now I realize that. I realize when I have my cam on and it is so different. Huh? Okay. So good. All right. So yep. I think let's do some a little different. Okay. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Yeah. Okay, so this is a bit different here. I'm going to see. Okay. Yep. Let's do. Oops. Okay. Yep. And let me check again. Let me check again. Okay. Okay. Let me check again. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yep. And let's see. We looks like there's a lot of the sound is a bit too. Okay. I'm going to speak a little bit softer today. All right. I'm going to speak a little bit softer today. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yes, I know I can't be the first to complain about the levels of music. The level of music. Is there any level of music? Hi, Paul. Is there a level of music there? I have not switched on the music. Okay. Please don't scare me if you hear something there. Okay, do let me know. Okay, if the sound is okay. All right. Okay, so anyway, yesterday after that, I think the news came in, we wipe it out, and now creating the liquidity. I guess we have plenty to go. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. And over at this side here, I see that yesterday, okay, we actually went back to take out this area of liquidity created, and then new creation. Then after that, it came back to take it back again. So after that, and as we can see, okay, as we can see, all right, yeah, okay, as we can see over here. Okay, so this is where we actually goes up. Okay, as we can see, take a look. All right, so this area, we actually coming back to take the highs up here. So they're bound to have reasons why. Am I right? Okay, so Hong Kong high. Am I right? Okay, so yep. Okay, yes, so lovely, right? Okay, thank you so much, Eileen. Okay, yes, Sabrina. All right, so over at this point here, Sabrina, today is Friday, and I managed to capture the goal as how it works from what Caro has described over the weeks. I think more or less I'm mastering it. Okay, that's good. Fantastic. All right. Well done, Caro. Yes, London is on the way to create a day high. Yeah, on the way to create a day high. So, or not? What do you mean, or not? Let's see. Okay, then tentatively yesterday, okay, what we have plotted out here, okay, it's all done up. Okay, then probably we can just delete this away. Right, so over here, okay, nice, very nice move. And next to go over at this point here, okay, this level has also been taken. As we yesterday we are talking about this level of area of support, right? That they are coming in. Then subsequently, okay, it has been taken out. So I'm going to delete this away. Oops, did I delete something else? Yep, no. Okay. Then next, this has been taken as well. Let's delete this away. All right. 2023 165. Okay, 2023 165. So let's see, we are going to take 2023 75 here. Over here. Mine is about 85. Right. Mine is about 89. Okay. Fraction pip. Don't bother. Okay. Yep. Okay. All right. So that's the point here. Okay. Let's see over at this point. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Right, which is a better choice? I wouldn't want to argue the semantic of trading and hedging on multiple open account, especially if prop trader can successfully trade on strategy. Which is a better choice? I wouldn't want to argue the semantic of trading and hedging on multiple. I think either way, you see, either way, because over at this, okay, it all round. I guess it all round down to individual. You know, it's all round down to individual. It depends on individual. Just like you know, there are many people. Okay, there are many people out there. They have many different kind of strategy. Am I right? Okay, they have many different kind of strategy, but it all round down to which strategy is best fit for yourself. Okay, so end of the day, you are the traders behind the chart, just like you are the driver behind the wheels. So the all round down end of the day is supposed to be in a you know, yeah, it's up is up to individual. Yes, prop firm not usually they don't they don't have a hedge. Okay, so yeah, so I think probably just but I heard that there's I think certain levels, but usually they don't have. Correct? Usually they don't have. Correct? Okay. Yeah. And let's take a look. All right. Let's take a look. Okay. Yeah. All right. And next, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Where sorry. Yeah. So we are waiting. So we are waiting for the gold to go towards our 2023 85 89 over at this point. So to see if they're going to take out the Hong Kong high. All right. Then the Bitcoin. Wasim, congratulations, you TP the Bitcoin. Well done. Okay. So the Bitcoin is still hovering around 38 to 40. All right, 38 to 40. So we are still around there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 38 to 40, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see over here. Pound dollar. Let's take a look. Well, as for the pound dollar, let's take a look. General view. I have not done out my pound dollar yet, although I start trader. Okay, it's all based on what's happened yesterday. Okay, yeah, and let's see. Okay, the pound dollar. Okay, as we can see, the bull ran off and actually having a transition area here, right? So actually, right now we can, as we have been discussed for a few weeks already, we are still hovering around this area trying to break 126.106. Am I right? Okay, 126.106. Okay, so okay, I will say that I will say that okay, this transition area, okay, is pretty torturing. Am I right? Okay, but okay, right, and it also can be good if you know how to trade it. Example, like when you hit on this area which is not breaking down, okay, like last week, okay, then I see that over here, as you know, what should I say? How should I say? You know, if this is a transition area, it goes sideways. As we know, when we are going sideways, it's really very difficult. It's really very difficult to trade. Am I right? But this area is a very big area, okay, where you can see from the top to the bottom, we are standing about 170 over pips. So you must know how do you actually can get it, you know. So along the way, we shrink down the general trend. We shrink down the general trend into this area by looking into, okay, this is the bull, this is the bear. All right, you can do it. You see, wow, Bradley, yes, I love this area. I made almost 400 pips. Okay, well done, good, very good. Okay, thumbs up for you. Ding ding. Okay, so yeah, fantastic. So yeah, I guess that is I guess this is good, okay, because this is an area where you actually can really tell, okay, there's a lot of movement there, and you may sometimes you may want to, you know, get yourself into, you know, something like into a state of like putting that area, putting this area, okay, into a point whereby, okay, uh, a trend which is a shrink down trend, okay, a shrink down trend, all right. So that will actually really help, okay, that will really actually help. That actually can help a lot, because as you can see that the trend here, with this trend here, okay, we are actually bouncing around, so you can capture a very short term selling, buying, selling, buying, if you are good at both sides. If you are good at both sides, huh? Okay, so that's the main key, huh? Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. Bradley is the cowboy, right? Okay, so that I think it's really good to see that well, of course, I mean Bradley have ever shared with me his cowboy style. Okay, aggressive, correct? Okay, wow. So these are, you know, these are really things like, you know, we can see that this is what we are actually looking into it. All right, then you know, we are actually, how to say, we are actually going into a state of like bouncing here and there, or we are running up and down. But then again is that no, what are we doing is in a way that is that i- is that a way that to trade with us, from us to the market. There's plenty of you know, plenty of consideration to take. So in a way, okay, in a way, you got to understand, okay, you got to understand whereby, okay, whereby these are the points. You know, there are points here and there. Okay, for example, like, you know, here there are points here and there to actually, over here. That's what I meant. Over here, a lot of points here and there to take note before you actually can go into a good selling. You get what I mean? Yeah. So that is one area that you need to really take note. Okay. Yeah. Right. So you can actually take note. Okay. Yeah. All right. Then okay. Yes. Sabrina. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then yes, Sabrina. I am actually looking into this as well. How to trade into this like Bradley. I only capture about 100 over pips from last 2 weeks, where I'm already very satisfied. How long did he get? How long did he get the 400, almost the 400 pips for this period? What is the period? So what is the period? What is the period? Uh, what is the? I mean, how long? How long did you capture the 400 pips? Okay, almost of 400 pips, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, Sabrina, yes. Yes. I don't know. Let's wait for him to reply. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, since when? Yeah. Um. That's since when? Correct. Yeah. Hello, hello. How come I hear echo? Huh? Did I not? Hang on, let me. Hello, hello. Okay. Yeah. It's my own voice. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Bimao. Bimao Casey, right? Do I pronounce it as Bimao or Bimao? Bimao. Hello, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Where are you from? I always ask people where are you from, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, and we also see. Okay, let's see what do we have over at this area here. Okay, yeah, wow, that's great, Bradley. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Today, just now we are talking about. All right. I think early in the morning. Okay. Caro has already started sharing that about the EU. All right. EU. Okay, and GU. Okay. Yeah. Long time. Uh-huh. My God. Did you change your name? You're from my heart. Okay. Oh, you melt my heart, my dear. Fantastic. Wow, actually, that is you know what? Okay, that's a very good one from your heart. Okay, okay, well done, well done. I'm at a loss of words because of the warm from Bimo Casey. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I think you are here for a long time, right? Okay. So thank you so much. I believe you are hiding somewhere at the corner of my heart that I've been missing you. Correct. I've been missing you for so long. Okay, I've been missing you for so long. When I mention about this sentence, there I goes again. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty too much. Once again. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay, today is Friday. It's PP day. Correct? PP day. Okay, PP day. PP day is our profit preservation day. Yeah. Okay. Profit preservation day. Okay. So let's check right, in H1 time frame of pound dollars, there are trend line. Can you check please? All right, let's take a look. Sure. All right. For a moment, when you talk about this sentence, I have a feel that I know who you are. Okay, so if you're looking into this area here, right? Okay, so I'm plotting it roughly. Okay, okay, roughly. I'm plotting it. Okay, briefly. I'm plotting it briefly. So currently, if you are looking into this area, okay, if you are looking into this area, all right, then this is somewhere that probably we may be looking out into, and also, okay, also to see that this may not be the area that is going to stop. Of course, we're looking back into this area to retest. Okay, to retest after touching it. Okay, if it's not breaking through this so-called the trend line, then after that we may see one good swing off again, swing down. Okay, so but usually for my side, okay, I don't use the trend line. Okay, we just look at the fundamental. Okay, let's look at the fundamental, whereby you can see a high, lower high, another lower high. Correct, another lower high. So so excuse me. So at the moment right now, okay, I'm going to start plotting out my pound dollar. Earlier on, I was talking about this level. Okay, this level 126. 126699, 126699. So at the moment, okay, this has cleared yesterday, so I'm going to take this off, and we are look. This highs was plotted yesterday, and it met up, and it actually went down. So it also done up. I'm going to move this down further. Right, it actually went up this high here this morning. Okay, so we are actually creating another lower high. So when this lower high, from the lower highs here going down, creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, as we can see, right? But this lower low is not exactly a lower low yet. Okay, it's just testing on the opening of the Wednesday, right? So this area here. So probably there may be a good chance that it will still be coming into an area here, all right, which I see over here. Okay, so let's check, is it correct? Okay, so let's see, this is the area. So for today, every day we have an area which is a rubbish area, it's a trash area. Okay, so over here, this is that area that is actually consolidating, or to me is transiting to become a bear. All right, so it break out of this area, retest, and it went off. So that is where I'm looking out for selling earlier on just now. And now it's actually coming back to retest into this area of 127. 127, okay. So 127,004. So over in this area, if this is going to hold it as a resistance now, then you will see H1 will have another lower highs, which will still fulfilling your trend line. Selling is still possible. Okay, all right. Okay, cut it. Yeah, let's take a look at euro dollar. Yes, euro dollar, what are you looking out for? Selling or buying? Okay, for the euro dollar, we are tentatively on the support. Okay, we are trying to get this area. All right, we are trying to get this area here. All right, so but now we are still working on the support here. So let me go with one area. Okay, let me change the color so that it's much more visible. Okay, yeah, yes, yes, Sabrina. Okay, all right. So over here, as we can see, look at the general trend. Highs, creating another lower highs. Okay, not another lower highs again. All right. Okay, so over at this point here. All right. สวัสดีครับวิวกินข้าวเหนียวไหมนะ Sorry, I saw your message, but already in the live, so I reply later. Huh? Okay. Okay. Warapon. Is Warapon here na? Okay, over here. So for the euro dollar, we have one round consolidating down again. Okay, you can see this area. Let me plot it out. Okay, so this area here. Okay, and we have another area here. Correct. So let's see if this is going to take this area. But if I'm going to sell off, I will want to make sure it's actually retesting below this area of 108,339, 108,339. Okay, yeah, 108,339. So then there will be a possible of selling down. However, if okay, let me remove this. Okay, so it should be quite clear now to see this area. Okay, right, so this area. So look at the next hour of H1. If H1 is going to hold it below 108,339, there will be a good chance to sell off from here down to take this about 22 pips. Okay, there will be a good chance there. All right, that's for the euro dollar. So euro dollars are very pretty similar to the pound dollar, whereby they are also looking out for the resistance before they can sell off again. Okay. Okay, so yep, I'm hungry. Me too. Okay, so yep. Okay, so at the moment now for the euro dollar, hang on first. We have another 20 minutes to see if they are going to break above to take the highs, or to recover the liquidity up there, or the pound dollar, similarly, it's going to break this level 127.004 to go higher up to take the highs. All right, so like what Caro has shared in our community earlier on, it has a good potential to go up to take the highs up there. Okay, so both pound dollar and euro dollar, we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait. Right. So next about the gold. Right. So how about the gold? The gold is moving towards the. We are still moving towards the highs up there 2023. Okay, for the gold. Yes. Yep. Okay. Let's talk about the gold. So at the moment, for the gold wise, we are looking into a target of 2024 to take out the highs up there. So let's see. Okay, for the gold wise, as we can see from this movement, we need to recap a little bit. Okay, I need to recap a little bit before I can read the trend. Okay, so in this case, okay, as we can see here, okay, we are actually looking into this area here, all right, that this may be an area that, you know, this may be an area that they are still trying to push to take this area here. All right. But then again, all right. But then again, is that, all right, this area a bit too far, right? Okay, a bit high up, So probably we want to wait for a while. Okay, maybe we want to wait for a while. So let's look at the area here first, between 2036. Okay, where we have been talking about this for past 2 weeks. With this level, I think it brings a lot of profits for many people out there. Okay, so yesterday was no, last week was pretty good. Okay, no, yes, the day before was pretty good, very good, not pretty good. It went down, take out all this area, and seems like we have more to take up there again. Right, so first of all, 2023 is one level that we'll be looking out to, and 2002 is another level that we are looking out as well. However, we were talking about 2009 and 2011. Okay, over here, all right, it has already completed. Yeah, not really completed. Okay, it went into this area, and this area is still potentially to be tested once again. Okay, right, this is still potentially okay to be tested again. Yeah, and let's see if this is going to test again. All right, then likely, you know, selling is possible. Am I right? Okay. Yeah, you and you know, it needs some resistance to sell off. It needs some sellers to come into the market to sell together. So it doesn't mean that, okay, when I plot this, it has to come down this way. No, it has to go up, take something, okay, yeah, then we will accumulate up. Okay, then we will accumulate up, right, and we will then be able to accumulate the seller. From there, then we can start to look out for the selling structure to come in. From there, we will come in to take this area. I see that this area, okay, yeah, I see that this area is pretty good. Okay, it's pretty potential. However, we still need to get some seller in first. Okay, like here, seems like sellers has been accumulated. Okay, and it seems like it's coming in. Am I right? Okay, all right. So yeah, are you holding some lower buy in gold? Are you referring to me? No, I'm not. Okay, yeah. Yes, Jason, 你好，谢谢你。Thank you very much, Jason. All right. Jason He. Jason He, right? Okay, I don't know. Okay. Anyway. You're from Taiwan, I know. Okay. Yep. All right. Yes. And okay, over here. So over at this point here. Okay, over at this point here. This yeah. And over here. is quite a good one. Okay, right, quite a good one. I would say that tentatively, if I'm looking into this, all right, and to this area, okay, then I think it should be no, this area here looks like it has already come to a point. Looks like it actually come to a point where sellers are coming in to take, but there are still some support over into this, this level, you know, right? Okay, so this may be still the area that they are still looking out for, you know. We have about 15 pips, okay, 15 pips to sell off down to this area of 15 pips. Then there will be a good chance that it may rebound back to 2023. Okay, then 85, yeah, 2023 85, right? Then after that, look out for more selling from there or even higher up. Okay, but then I see, I don't think, I think this is not the level anymore. Yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, so probably 2019 35 is the target to sell off, to look out for support to push even higher. I think right now is not a good time to sell. I think it's not a good time to sell. But I will, if I'm going to trade into the gold, I would rather to wait for the buying signal. I would rather wait for buying because generally by looking into this level, especially this area where the news came in the other day on the Wednesday, it actually created a very good space up there. Correct. So it looks like they are the whole movement from yesterday until now. It seems like they are trying to look out for reclamation. So generally, I'll be waiting. Okay, I'll be waiting to see more buying. You know, yeah. Generally, I'm looking for more buying. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's my 2 cents count. Okay. So yeah, you can refer to that. Okay. All right. If you're a good quick scalper like our cowboy here, yeah, may want to look out for some 5 pips selling to grab some base first before we go for the long term. Yeah. Okay. Right. So that is one. Okay. Yes, Sabrina, you are right. Okay. Yeah. So at the moment, no. Let's wait for the H1 opening. Today, today we are pretty. Today we are pretty. Know what? Today we only have one called PC price index of month from the dollar. Okay, standing at the GMT plus 821.30. Right. Then other than that, we don't really have any other news. So it's also not a very it is also not a very big one to trade. As you know, just hang on. Okay. The best part here is that to wait for the news to announce whatever they want to announce. Then from there, we will see what we can do. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. Yep. Yes. Hmm. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Then let's see. Okay. Well. Let me see. Pound dollar. Okay. For pound dollar. Right over here. Sabrina put in a buy, running for 6 pips. 6 pips, where did you enter? 6 pips. My goodness, you are entering near to the resistance. Sabrina, you make a mistake here. You are entering towards near to the resistance here. So, although now you are running on a profit, that this may be not a very good entry. Yep. Right. Okay. So, yeah. Please take note. What is that? Looks boring today. Can you sing us a song? Sabrina plays guitar and Eric sings. Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want to come up with a song. I want to come up with a song from the melody of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to form up a trader song. Let's see how innovative I can be, huh? Okay. A little star. Yeah, right. La 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 la. Yeah. Yep. Okay. But you guys, I think you guys start singing, huh? Alright. Okay. So Bradley, Carol, are you ready? Are you ready to come on live with me? I'm gonna test out the system. I'm gonna test out the system since all in UK, right? So shouldn't be a problem. Scuba doo doo. Okay. Right, then let's see. Okay, we want to take a look over at this point here. If this is going to retest down into 127 to set up the support, I will see the high chance is going to take the buy, to take out the highs. So currently GU is more onto the buying side, so you can look out for buying when the new support that comes in. Okay, so if you're looking into H1, it seems like it's going to break or going to test the trend line, correct? Okay, I buy at 126.84.8, 126.84, 126.84.8. Okay, good. All right, yeah, this is a support area, which is good. Cause of H1 rejection in trend line. Okay, over. Oh, you are talking about this area. Is that? You are back. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. If so, okay. If that works, yeah, I think I'm pretty good. It's third touch and was risky as well. Third touch and it's risky as well. I wouldn't say. Yeah, third touch I would say is sensitive. I wouldn't say it's risky. Okay. Yeah, I would say it's sensitive but not risky. Okay. Yeah. Not surprised with this buying up because first of all, London session, they are trying to take the Asian high. Secondly, they have made up with the support in this area as the yesterday lows has been tested once into this area. Okay, let me move this up over here. Yesterday lows has tested into this area of support, which already tell us the support level is there. Okay, and then coming along just now with the selling is to confirm this support. Okay, I mean I'm putting it into a very layman term. Okay, a very layman term. So not any technical, not technical term, okay. Yeah. So over at this point here, all right. So we are taking into this area. So this area form up the lower highs to come down here to confirm this week to form up the support. All right. Yeah. Congratulations, GUTP. Okay, Sabrina, congratulations, GUTP, very good, well done, well done. Okay, and well, then let's keep going and see. Okay, right, yes, let's cheer for each other. Yeah, you've done it. Okay, okay, good. Right, so let's see, 6 pips. Okay, so just nice, you're taking 10 pips, huh? Taking 10 pips, right? Okay, right, well done. Christopher, okay, yes. I managed to capture at 5 pips too. Okay, congratulations, well done. Alright. Good. Very nice, very nice. Yep. And also, okay, we of course, I mean, we are I'm again, okay, once again, let's look back. What am I waiting for? We have a very classic example. We have a very we have a classic example, okay, that happens this week that actually tell everybody how we trade, correct? Okay, where, how. We always look out for things like this. The other day we were so boring, correct? All of you are so boring on the Wednesday, right? So we waited, some falling asleep. Even myself, I'm yawning in front of you. Okay, I have a lot of kahawa and over there. Then this part here. Okay, yeah. Then after, when this actually builds up, we start selling for 38 pips. This is a very classic example where it still needs to complete the whole area here. So it went off, done. Correct. So yesterday there's another round, this area here. Okay, another round, I think this area here. Well done to Jerry. Are you here, Jerry? I think Jerry maybe is not here. All right, so Jerry is looking into taking this area. So we always look out for things like this, one big movement, huh? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, okay, this area. So he actually captured, do a good scalping from this area here. All right, so he managed to capture the profits there. So now, yes, we swing off. Just now it's a seller mode. Now it's the buyer's mode. So can you see this area here? Will this area give the seller a chance to sell off again? All right, so people who are buying, take note, it's time probably to call for a drink. Okay, then yeah, by the way, JJ will be asking who is buying the drinks today. Am I right, JJ? Okay, so yep, and let's see if this is going to take out the highs. From the highs, then we will see when the seller is coming in. Then this will be the area that I'm going to aim for. Hello guys, this is the magnet. Okay, this is the magnet over here. Okay, well, all right. Hi, Yue Ting. Yes, thank you, Yue Ting, for coming in. Yeah, you always come in at this hour, huh? I'm already in. It's just that I say hi to you because I am 1 hour away from my knockoff time. Once again, thank you for brightening up my days. Okay, thank you very much. Your laughter is always a cure from my stress in work. You are not a trader. You are not a trader, yet you are listening to my my podcast, I would say. Okay. All right. Yes. Let's take a look. Okay. GJ. All right. Actually, GJ. We are looking into this area. We have been talking about this area for quite some time. Okay, since last week. 187. 187,081, okay, to sell. But now we are still staying above this potential profitable area, so we are still on the support. So buying is still quite possible there. So there will be a lot of I take back that. Okay, yeah, and over at this point here, okay, we are touching this as a support, it bounced back, touching this as support, bounced back. It touched a few times, right? So it's a turbulence area. It's a turbulence area. So I would rather, if I'm going to sell, I would rather wait for the breaking of this 187,081, then I will go for the selling. Well, I want to buy, yes, general trend, it should be on the buy side. Yeah, okay, all right, okay, then okay, so I want to wait to, generally it's on the bull side, right? Okay, generally it's on the bull side. Okay, so we can see the bull is actually here, correct? The bull has ran up to meet up the resistance. So selling should be coming in pretty soon. However, right? However, they are entering into a transition area whereby the bull is going to transit into the bear. So a lot of turbulence in here, just like the pound dollar. Okay, just like pound dollar, you see, it went up all the way, it stays here. So there's a lot of movement here. But the pound dollar is better in a way. The transition area is big enough, 170 pips. Am I right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, 170 pips. You can grab the sideways. However, for the pound yen, okay, as we can see from this area to this area, we have about 100 pips. Okay, still reasonable space. Okay, right. Okay, then I think over here, okay, then I think probably we may want to wait. If you are buying, then you know probably that is one area that you need to take note. That is maybe the maximum of the pool. Okay, but more I will be looking out more on the selling. If it hits on the resistance, I will want to sell down here. Okay, all right. Okay, so that are all the areas that I'm looking out for. Okay, so very likely, highly likely, this is where I am looking out for. Okay, so no action for pound yen for me right now until it crossed below 187,081. Okay, right. Yes, you are right. Did you mark as FVG in box? Yes, you are right. Okay, you are correct. So some was some it is, some not. Okay, over this area, yes it is. Okay, because this is the maximum. Okay, all right, so this is the maximum. So the FVG is very crucial. It's very crucial in this case. Okay, it's so crucial. All right, yes, yep. And okay, all right, okay, so over at this area here, yes, what is that? Yes, yes, we need to know who is on the drinks bill today, given it's Friday. It must be you, JJ. Earlier on, before even we started, you have already done for the day. Tana is on you tonight. Okay. Okay, so yeah. What are you all drinking? Bill on me. Yeah, Sky Juice. Yes. Okay. Alright, I also want Sky Juice. I want sparkling Sky Juice. Okay. Yes, my FVG doesn't work. Haha. Okay. There a lot of us, I believe, when you go through some social media, you go through whatever FVG, okay, all right, correct, okay. So even you go through all this, but there are some other fundamental factors to consider, you know, before you can actually mark up this thing. Okay, so holy, oh my god, oh yeah. Okay, I would say, okay, I would say, I think I would say, okay, a quarter of the globe actually been reading this FVG with the ICT, correct? Okay, so he's good. I like his style. You know. Well, I would say, okay, I would say, yeah, he is very good, and I strongly, fully, truly agree with his style. All right. So, but I mean, when we are learning, when we are doing this, okay, there are points that you need to understand. Okay, you need to understand. Okay, so guys, let's since we are so boring now, right now we are all waiting for the goal. Correct. We are waiting for the goal. Am I right? Okay, waiting for the goal to meet our Hong Kong high. Correct. Yeah. So probably. Okay. Yeah. Not the coconut. Okay. Yeah, the goal hits our target 2019. Okay. Yeah. All right. And yeah, just now we discussed this, right? The goal has to come down to get something before it goes to get the sellers. All right. Yeah. Okay. So, and over here is creating the liquidity, so to go up there. Then over at this point here, we have taken out 2019.35, which we mark out just now. Then let's quickly, okay, 2018.05 maybe. All right. Let's see. Hey, I realized something, you know. Seriously, I realized something. Whenever come to this H1 opening, my MT4 hang on me. Did I hang on you? Did I hang on you? Yes or no? Okay, whatever. Since that's the case, okay, I'm going to see you in a short while. Okay, but my voice will still be here. Okay, okay, I'm going to disappear from my cam. Okay, then let's disappear from my cam for a while. Okay. Hello. Okay, so I hope that works. Okay, so you see, I want to show you something. I'm not sure something, but I don't know if that works. Hi, Bimo Casey, are you still there? Bimo Casey, are you still there? Oh, time to go. Okay. All right. Okay, no problem. Then I am still around. I just want to disappear from the camp for a while because I think maybe the bit rate issue. Okay. Then no worries. Then we will talk about it in the next round. Okay. Yep. When you are here. Okay. Remember to give me a ping when you are here. Right. Are you in our Discord? Okay. Right. We have about 50 minutes to go. Hey. Come on. Okay. Have a good day. Have a good day. Yep. Yes, Sabrina. I will always like to be the paymaster for all the drinks in this community. Please give me a chance. Show me, please. Oh, I see. Okay, you are still here, huh? All right. Okay, just now we are talking about the FVG, am I right? You are talking about the FVG. Okay, guys, I hope you guys can also enjoy it as well. Okay, a little bit of sharing since today we have nothing much. Okay, hang. Sorry. Give me a little while. Okay, give me a little while. Let me see what's wrong with my. You know, whenever come to this hour, this. Okay, give me a little while. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. I think I know what's the problem. I'm not trying to show you my pics, okay? I'm not trying to show you my pics. Okay. Okay, so ever since I installed my iTunes, yeah, I think ever since I installed my iTunes, I shouldn't have installed an iTunes here. Okay, give me a little while. I think it's showing up. I think done. Okay, it's done. Well. Okay. Okay, Bimo, are you still there? Okay, show me please. Okay. You see, there's a lot of time when we are talking about FVG. Okay, FVG is a fair value gap, am I right? Okay, so we're talking about gapping. We're talking about imbalancing. Okay, so we're talking about balancing as well. Right, so Blake, are you there? Right, and Mark, are you there? Okay, so I hope you guys are there. Right, so over at this point here, okay, so over here, you are able to identify, but always remember one thing. Okay? That one thing is that from the price here, it's actually coming down into the fair value gap. But, okay, why the line is here? It's a support. Yeah, you're here, Merry Christmas. Okay, so when you're actually coming in here, do remember the these entries, the entrance of this fair value gap is a support. Okay, it's a support. So it may go in directly, pierce through and go down all the way to fill up, correct? But most of the time, before it will go in, it's a support. So you have to identify where the fair value gap is. The position of the fair value gap is very important. Okay, it's very important. So this fair value gap here, we can see that it's here. A lot of time you will be thinking the selling here is the main target is to fill up this gap, correct? Which is very correct, very right. You are absolutely right. However, before it goes into this, it's a support. So it may bounce back. Okay, it may bounce back. The next thing is that once it breaks in, okay, this become a resistance. When it's inside, it's become a resistance. So when it actually retests it to sell off, that is the point. That is the point to identify the filling up. Okay, so let's go to gold. All right. Hang on. Based on which time frame? Hang on. Time frame wise, it does not matter. Okay. Okay. Let me show you, for example, here. Okay. Let's talk about time frame. Just now, GJ we are at H4. Okay. Now let's talk about M5. M5. So you can take a look. M5. Is there any fair value gap? Let's look at M5. Okay, let's look at M5. Right. Who is buying me a drink today? Sabrina is asking, not me, not me. I'm not the one asking. Okay, Sabrina is asking. All right. Okay, Sabrina is asking. JJ will be the one. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. M5. Do we have fair value gap? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. Okay, we have fair value gap. All right. So where? Okay, nearest will be here. Right. The obvious one will be here. Over here. Let's take a look. Look at this. Over here, there's a fair value gap here. It touches, become a support, it went off. Correct? Right. So there's another one. Okay, so sorry, it's here. Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Alright, so you must understand. Okay, so you must understand. Alright, this area, the fair value gap, the top part here, when it coming in from the top, then it's become a support. When it went in, the top part here become a resistance to go down to take the low of the fair value gap here, and the low will become a support. Once it breaks out of this area, this bottom part here, okay, it will become a resistance to sell off. So there are people who use this way to trade in a way when it actually comes in here to form a support, it bounces back to form a support, then they start to buy. So when it actually goes in, they will not take any action until it breaks through to form a resistance, they sell. So there are many different kind of ways to use it. But fair value gap is an area to identify the imbalance. Okay, fair value gap equal imbalance. Okay, so nothing much. Okay, but you must know how to use. That is all. That's all. Okay, so looking at this area, okay, this is a very small time frame, am I right? Okay, it's nothing big, nothing much. If you are talking about different time frame, let's take a look. M15. M15, is there any fair value gap? If you can identify the fair value gap in M15, punch in. Punch in, punch in. Punch in the timing. Punch in the timing. M15. Okay, punch in the timing in terms of use a crosshair, go to the candle, let's say this candle, then you see 2245, punch in 2245. Whichever. Let's not talk about the past that is all filled up. Talk about something that's not filled up yet. Okay, yes, Sabrina. Caro. Sabrina, Caro. Sabrina, Caro is talking to you. You need to ask some lesbian girl because we are all poor boys around here. Yeah, you're right. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. Hi, Chiniban. I miss you so much. How are you? 2089. Okay. 2089. Fantastic. All right. 2016 8. Well, all of you are giving me the price. Not the. Okay. Yes. Good. All right. Anyway. Okay. You are giving the price. Correct. Okay. Yep. I'm doing great. Fantastic. Nice. Okay, so let's come back here. Don't identify the price only. Okay, don't identify the price only. Identify the candle. Identify the candle, which is the most important part. We are talking about this candle, correct? Okay. Sorry. Hubert was saying that you are such a dumb, you're using a green box on the green candle. Thanks. Okay, thanks, Hubert. Okay. Let me change. Okay, let me change to gold. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have another one. Okay. All right. Okay, over here. Right. Okay, good. Yes, two of you are correct. Well done. So you see, identify the candle, because after that you will see where the rest of the candle actually moves. From example, like now. Okay, this area here, can you see? It moves into this area, correct? Fair value gap area. It went in, correct? So try to fill up, correct? So this candle here, okay, take a look. This is the key candle. Okay, this is the key candle. So what do you do? All right, how you read these two areas? First of all, this came in, it did not fill up the imbalance, correct? But sooner or later it will fill up. This is our thoughts, but the market has not shown anything yet. So what is the key? Is there a sign that it actually telling us that it's actually trying to fill up with this move of candle, with the candle closing and the candle opening? Let's look at how this candle is going to close. If this candle will close right inside this box, high chance is taking out this gap, correct? The most important part is that a lot of us make a mistake, including myself. Okay, I did this mistake whereby in the past, when the price is here, I identify the fair value gap is here, I start selling in hope of reaching this, correct? In hope of reaching this. But, okay, it may not work. Am I right, Bimon? Is that what you did? I think it's very similar, correct? When you identify a fair value gap and then you start selling from the top in hope of getting into this area, but you're getting some profit running, but when it touches, it went back all the way, correct? And that's where you hit your SL, or you have lesser profit, and you will lose faith in the FVG. I'm not sure whether is that the case, is that a scenario that you've been through, but I'm just stating what I have been through in my thoughts before. Okay, yes, it is a target that the price may be moving down to this area, okay, to capture it, to clear this, and to go down further this. Okay, but the thing is that a lot of time we've forgotten that this area the top part of this area is a support. Okay, let me move this area. Okay, let me move this green line here to show you as a support. Okay, as a support. Right, yes, okay, good. So you see, it created the FVG here and it started to move, correct? It started to move up. What I suggest is that what you can do is that with a resistance over here, for example, this is not gold, okay, for the resistance or whatever you are looking at to sell down into this, try to grab the profit before it goes into the FVG. Okay, before it goes into the FVG. Okay, so that is the main point. Try to do this area, try to sell down, okay, but your TP has to be above the FVG. Has to be. Try it out. Okay, try it out. All right. So let's say it's going to break, it's going to fill this up. The next one it will be here. Am I right? Okay, so let's say it fills this up. Okay, we delete this away. Is this area a support? Yes. By looking into okay, this area here. Okay, by looking into this area here. All right. So this area here, when it created the FVG from this candle of 25th of January 21:15 on the M15 time frame, Look at the candle after that. Is it forming up the support to tell us the support is concreted? Okay, then just be very careful not to grab the profit all the way in. All right, of course there are times it will just go in. Okay, so but I mean for now, if you're asking me, I give you the first step to understand this thing. So the first step is to trade this area before it goes in. Okay, you get what I mean? All right. Okay. Yeah. So and that is one area that we can take note. Okay. All right. Yeah. So by looking into M15 only, this is only the M15. Okay. So let's maybe go up to a bigger time frame. Okay. When we're going up to a bigger time frame, you will realize that what we are talking about, okay, what we are talking about is all over this area. It's all over this area. So you can you find a fair value gap here? Maybe here a little bit here, correct? Okay, let's see. A little bit here. So you can see this little bit here actually has been filled. You get what I mean? Okay, so it has been filled. Take a look. Take a look. It has been filled. You get what I mean now? Okay. So that is one area that we have to understand. Okay. So sometimes you're looking into a smaller time frame. It's only for a short term, giving you a direction that if you're looking at M15, you're starting from the resistance. Is an idea that okay, this is coming all the way from here to here, and I got to put a halt on it. Okay, I have to realize my profit before it goes into it. Okay, that's what I meant, huh? Okay, yeah. Simply put, what relations, if it's not mutually exclusive, can asking and strike price be related? Any primer or search queries you recommend to search on this platform, YouTube? ICT, maybe it's a good one. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I think everybody knows him, right? Okay, in the forex industry, everybody knows him, right? Okay, but you know what? Unfortunately, there's one good channel, but I think he delisted. I think 1 or 2 years ago. No, yeah, I think during COVID. So there are rumors saying that he passed on during COVID, but his channel is really gone. I think that is really a very, very, very good channel I have ever been before. No more. And I searched out for I was in his social media. He's also closed down. All right, it's also closed down. Yeah. Okay. So no more. What's the name? Am I right? The name is Eric. The name is Eric. Okay. Okay, same name, different person, huh? Okay, yeah, right. Okay, so another one is buy in those gap, but it will break as well. This is my another issue. Okay, when you are putting a buy, okay, we are doing a buy. Okay, then the buy side will be on this, you know. It depends on where did you buy again. Okay, it depends on where did you buy again. All right, so for the for example this goal, okay, for example this goal, a lot of times we look into liquidity, correct? Okay, so when we look into H4, then you see you don't see any fair value gaps here, correct? You don't see any fair value gaps here. So does it mean that it will not come down? Does it mean that it will not come down to feel something, correct? So sometimes for the fair value gap, okay, it depends largely as well as how you find the fair value gap, where it is. M15, M30, MH1, it does not matter. Time frame, it does not matter, but it just matter a little bit whereby you go down lower time frame, you see the fair value gap. So it's just telling you this may be the area from the bigger time frame of the general trend, it is the area of support that is coming in. It's an area that they are going down to test. They are going down to look out for support, look out for buyers, something like this. Okay, we must get the fundamental. That is the key. That is the key point. All right, that's the key point. Well, just like for example, okay, back then I taught this technique in China. Okay, the Chinese in China are really very okay. They are good. Okay, they just make use of the FEG concept. I'm teaching concept teaching. So they are trading on the concept only. They are really good. They are really good. Just basing on the concept. Just simple concept. Okay. All right. So yep. And you just need to know the simple concept. Simple concept, like just now I was saying. Okay. So another trick. So if I'm talking about the buying, another one is buy in those gap. You are buying in those gap, right? Okay. Let me go to pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, I give you a simple idea. Okay, over here. Okay, right. Yes. Okay, got it. Thank you too much. Question I asked today. No, it's okay, my dear. Right. We are here to learn together. Okay. So remember. Okay. Right. So over here, from this range here, okay, hi buddy, buy or sell. Okay, we are still discussing on the fair value gap. For the pound dollar, we are all looking at the buy side to take out this area. Boom, done. Okay, so next will be the goal. The goal will be now going. All right, looks like the goal is looking out. Okay, we are done with this area, right? So probably another area will be here. The next fair value gap to fill this little fair value gap to fill to find this area to get the support to buy up. Okay. Right. So over pound dollar, look at this area today. Early in the morning, look at this area where the selling are. Okay, look at this area. Basing on M5. Let's look at this area first. Okay, this area. Right, so next we move a little bit to M15. All right, move a little bit on M15. Okay, can you see the selling down? All right. Okay, then after that, move to M30. Okay, selling down, right? Okay, H1, selling down, right? Okay, now from H1, do you see any fair value gap? There isn't. Is there any? Let me remove this so that you can see. Okay, just want you to have the concept of the trend selling down today. Is there any fair value gap? There is. Correct? There is. So one here. Okay, let's put this on. Okay, this area here. So let's now let's look back. M30. Can you see this area here? Right. Okay, so M15. Can you see? So now put it this way. If you are going to okay, H1 from H1, okay, from H1, okay, you can see there's a fair value gap here. So the fair value gap is here. The important part, fair value gap is only the whole trading and it's only part of it. You see, a swing strategy, one swing, one whole swing down, one whole swing, you will have many strategy inside there, not one strategy for one whole thing. Okay, so we are going to focus on this swing only, this downward trend. Okay, the downward trend created one fair value gap here. It's not for us to sell. It's for us to buy up to fill the gap. And can I ask you, the fair value gap within this swing, okay, where is the main target they are looking out for? Asian high. So they will bypass the FVG. So it will highly likely to fill it up. Then when you print a buy, yes, take note of this area as a resistance where you look into M5, take a look, okay, take a look. When it swing down and going up, can you see? It swing down out of the value gap, touches the bottom, as a resistance, it swing down again. Fair value gap. So now London session is going to take the Asian high, it went up, and the fair value gap is stand in between the target. So it went up, you see, it goes in, open inside the fair value gap, good buy. If there's a support, it will be better to fill up. Can you see it went back again, touches the fair value gap as a support, goes up again. You get what I mean now? Alright, so you see, if you are not very familiar with trading inside the fair value gap, try to trade outside the fair value gap. Okay, there are a lot of traders out there, they use fair value gap, okay, centuries ago. Okay, centuries, I use centuries ago, okay. Alright, so they use it not to trade within the area, they trade outside the area, either above to buy or below, okay, to sell. เข้าใจไหม? เข้าใจ understand ไหม? I understand? Do you understand? Okay, alright, okay, yeah. So that is the basic concept. So you understand, once you understand, you must look out for one wave first. First step, look out for the wave, one selling off or one buying up. Okay, so okay, over here. All right, so this round, okay, this round, okay. Too many language. Okay, so don't try to fill up first. Don't try to fill the FVG. Try to work on it. Try to work the FVG above or below. Okay, I think that will be good enough to help you clear your prop. Okay, whatever prop. Okay. I haven't tried one, so yeah, okay, whatever prop. Okay, so you can identify this. Okay, yes, all right, okay, yeah, okay, that okay, yeah, and I see a lot of people try to fill up, okay, but I know he can do it. Okay, he can do it. Okay, but I think many people are also working on this area first to grab the profit, to understand this gap first. Then after that, we'll go to the next step. We'll go to the next round. Okay, that one will need a lot of need more explanation. Huh? Okay, yeah, bit by bit, bit by bit. Okay, so we work it out this way first. The other day, I think yes, we'll catch you in your next live. Sure. All right. So now it's time for you to catch something else. Okay. Have a good catch of a day. Right. Okay. Yep. By the way, there are people who are asking me, a lot of you are asking me about my live, my international. Okay. Yes. I think the system is coming up soon. I've been working up for the past 3 weeks. Okay, yeah. I can only catch something in Quebec. Tell you what, I'm also trying to catch something in my Keybell today, but it's stuck. Yeah, right. Okay. So okay, so yep, okay, yeah, all right. So now we are hang again, right? Okay, so from here, okay, try to avoid trading now. So we are taking out the highs here. So let's see if the highs is going to over. Okay, let's talk. Let's talk international business, right? Okay. Later I'll bring the Discord in to talk international business. Okay, so for the highs here, when we go, okay, so if the highs is taking out, then there will be another round, okay, to go further up, okay, to go further up, right? So we will see how it goes. All right, today is Friday, so H4 is closing, okay, and the opening of H4 is coming. These are the time frames that is quite sensitive. For example, like a few yesterday, okay, yeah, I'm working on the system. Yes, yeah, the Web3 forex trading. We have heard of that, right? I'm working on that system, as well as I'm also working out on one system whereby I can bring up the live class for all of you, with all of you. All right. Okay. So do remember to get ready. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Okay. I'm not going to disclose too much until it's done. Okay. That's me, huh? Okay. We are working on this because the German side, correct? The German side. Yeah, Germany side. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I would like to analyze the EU, but this is, yeah, is hanging on me again. Okay. Let me do it again. Right. Let's go blackout. Okay. Let's go blackout first. Let me try. Let's go blackout for a while. Okay. Yep. Hey guys, do remember to smash the like button for me, okay? Smash it. Alright, smash it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Right, then let's see. Okay, hopefully it comes in again. Come back. Okay, we are back. Okay, it's good. It's back. Okay. No, I'm not done yet. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Analyze EU. Okay, I'm back here. EU. All right, EU. Done. Okay, finally you are back. All right, so let's see. EU, euro dollar. Euro dollar. Okay, same thing. We have come down this area here. Let's search. Okay, we have looks like we are same thing. We are taking out the highs here. All right, the next thing to go. Okay, we are taking out the highs. Okay, a little bit more to go. So after taking out the highs, look at what's happening on the left side. Is there any fair value gap? Okay, let's use the fair value gap since you are on the topic. Okay, is there? All right, then is there? Okay, obviously, right? Plenty. Okay, plenty. Yeah, Sabrina will be the teacher. Okay, so right, and then over here, let's take a look. Okay, here, let's do this area. Okay, look at this. Shrink down. Yeah. Really, see you in the pub for your sky juice. I shall get changed now. Okay, so let's see over here. And can you see? Right, let's see. Let's take a look from here. This wave this wave, this swing down, this sell off, there's a fair value gap there, correct? Yeah, fair value gap there. Okay, right. So, and when you are talking about this fair value gap, all right, the fair value gap here, over here, H4, fair value gap here, H4. Look at this movement. Look at this move. The move of buying touches this area. Do remember it can be a resistance. So hold your mind there as a resistance first. Okay. Then let's take a look lower down to the time frame of M5. And this area, look at this whole area here. When it comes in here, okay, it seems like this whole area, it becomes like a support. So very likely what I will be doing is that if this is going to break above this area here to form support in there, yes, I will take a buy up inside here. I will take a buy up here. And this will be the resistance area. So when we are buying, we always have to get out before we meet up with the resistance. Am I right? So get out before we meet up with the resistance. You get what I mean? Okay. So this area, you can see it start to show you where the resistance are. Okay, this whole area here. Okay, if we shrink down further, okay, you can see more. Okay, do you see the whole area here? One area here, one area here. So break into it, form a support, then go. Okay, for the buy. If not, highly likely it's going to retrace back. Okay, it's going to retrace back. There's another wave here. Correct? There's another wave here. So look out for another wave here. Maybe here in H1 probably. Yeah. Okay. As you can see over here. Okay. This area here. So you may retrace back down here as a support 14, 15 pips. Grab this area. Then it may bounce back again. You get what I mean? It may bounce back again. If this breaks, they are all talking about breaking in or breaking out. Breaking into it, buy to break out of this, to go further out, to collect all the, to reclaim all this area. Okay, so that's how it works. If you are using a fair value gap. Understand? Okay. Right. Sorry. Who is asking that? Yeah, cut it. Okay, cut it. Is it okay? What? My wife is OOT. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, yep. Okay, then I think cut it. Do you understand this, guys? Can you get this? All right. All right. So this is one area. Okay, and this is one area. These are all areas to take note. That's all. Areas to take note. Okay, areas to take note. Okay. Yeah. So remember, once you get in, correct? Once you get in, then this area, once you get in, then this area. So you have this space. So you got this space. All right. Let's go together and pull. Okay. So this area here, huh? Okay. This area here, once it gets in, don't buy immediately. You are buying on the breakout. Okay, you are buying on the breakout. Okay, so it's not very ideal. Wait for a retest to set up the support, then go. Okay, then go. Okay, cut it. Okay, cut it. Yeah. All right. Okay, yes, Sabrina. I realized these areas when I plot out my areas in search is exactly like what you are talking about, the FVG. So all this while you have been using FVG, or you're using another theory to work it out. Actually, you will realize something. Okay, Sabrina, you realize something. One strategy, second strategy, it can collide. It can get crashed. Correct? But on the other hand, it correlated. So it's no, okay, you know, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Right. Then, you know, then we maybe want to understand if you're using this, you're using that. You have to see, you have to analyze out, you have to back test. Are they correlated, or they are actually having conflict? Okay, so sometimes when we touch, okay, sorry, okay, there goes again. So at certain point of time, there are some strategy. We have many different kind of strategy. So, you know, right, we can make them, we can mix them together. Okay, right, then sorry, Carol and Bradley, what are you two talking about? I find that your topic is more interesting. I also want to get into that topic. Okay, that's a joke, alright. Okay, so what I meant is that, you know, sometimes people are using, like, example, MA, okay, MA with RSI, or sometimes they clash. They have a clash. Okay, not they have a clash, they have a clash. So you will get into a situation whereby, should I buy or should I sell? You know, you get what I mean? Yeah. So some people say sell, some people say buy. Yeah. So that is something what I mean. Okay. But with what we have been sharing all this, Sabrina, you plot out all the areas and you find that, hey, it's very similar. Okay, it works very well with the FVG or everything like this. Okay, then you know, then we will start to see, okay, it works together, hand in hand. It can work together. So you can choose either you use FVG or you use the support resistance to plot out. Okay, looking at the liquidity, plot out the support resistance. Okay, then you know. Okay, yeah. Okay, then you know that it's in hand in hand. Then from that hand in hand, choose one that works well for you. Okay. Nothing is the best in this world, in this forex world. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, so you know, then that is the main key. So for euro dollar, like we just plotted out, the FVG is here. The entrance of the FVG may be the resistance, correct? So it will sell off to the entrance of the fair value gap below, will become a support. So you grab this area first. Okay, so that's what I meant, huh? Okay, yeah. Yes, Eric, bam, hungry today. Okay, Carol's girlfriend is just beside him. She must be pulling your ears now. Okay. All right. So yes, okay, we have 5 minutes to go. Yeah. Christopher was saying, I'm in Hong Kong, too far, guys. I wish to join you too. I didn't know you did a message here. I'm so sorry. Okay, yes, I saw. Let me check out some messages. Okay, we have 5 minutes to go. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I just saw your text. No worries. Okay. Yes. This is my what? You can blah 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 blah. Oh, I see. Okay. Don't want to miss your signal. My signal is always here. Okay, left signal when you want to turn right. Right signal when you want to turn left. Okay, make sure you do that when you're driving, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay, then okay. Yes. All right. And I see, okay, and I see that euro dollar is actually coming to yeah, I remember Bradley is a cowboy. Okay. Yes. Okay. So okay, let's see. Yes. What? Yeah, he hunts every soul alive. Cowboy Bradley. All right. Are you still working towards your Buckley? Okay. Anyway, yeah. 3 minutes to go. H4 is opening, guys. All right. So for pound dollar, euro dollar. Okay, cut it. Euro dollar. Don't sell now first because it's taking out the highs here. So there may be a chance that it's actually going to set up a support to go further up, right? But of course, this area here is very good. It's very nice. So if you're looking down to M15, M30, okay, M30, okay. If you're using fair value gap again, okay, you can do this. Okay, if you guys are looking to fair value gap, you can do this. All right, so this is an area to come about 13 pips, 1-3. I'm very hungry. My tummy is calling me. Yes, what? I saw your Porsche. What? Where? I didn't know I have one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So. All right. Okay. So over here. Right. Okay. So let's see if this is going to work or push it higher. So sometimes, you know, it will come in immediately, but sometimes it will not. Okay. Right. Yes, you have been hungry since yesterday. What's for dinner? Yeah, you're right. JJ, you're right. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I thought you released some pressure from down point. I wish to, but it's got stuck, can I say. Oh my god, man, guys, I'm getting crazy. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute to go. Let's take a look at the goal, right? Let's take a look at the goal. Okay. So the goal is actually moving up again, right? Taking out this area. So obviously, okay. Oh my god, 我忘了你在这里哦。Yes, you know strategy of cover up front. Would you like to share with us? Okay, guys, you see today we don't really have a lot of things because I'm a seller. Okay, so finally we shared some, we can get some knowledge here, sharing here, and time passes fast. H4 has closed. Yes, you can. Share with us. Okay. All right. Then yes, Sabrina. Yeah. Sabrina. So this is so are you looking into so we are looking into the pressure selling. We are looking into a selling area to go for the selling for the pound dollar until that fair value gap again, which is also my support level. Yes, but it must form the selling structure. Hey guys, don't just plot this thing here and okay, red candle and you just sell off. Okay, no, you don't do that. Okay, you have to wait for, in order for the price to come down into this area. Okay, please also look out for the selling structure to come down. Then this is the aftermath. Okay, from the selling. This is not beforehand. Okay, right. I'm sorry. I can't hold my laughter anymore. Okay, yeah, shortly before you fart, you need to start. Okay. Okay, all right. But the thing is that Caro, you get what, now you know I have this image when I was okay. I'm sorry guys, H4 has opened. Let's take a look at H4. Okay, I'm trying to control. Okay, I'm trying to control myself. Okay, because that image just simply hits into my head. Okay. Shortly before you fart, you need to start coughing really loud. What if? Okay. Yeah. See, we don't share trading strategy only. Yeah, you're right. I'm just worried that some extra substance will. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Hey man. Oh, this is a laughter tears. Okay, this is a laughter tears. I'm so emo now. Okay, fantastic. What a good one. Yeah, some extra substance that when you cough too really loud. Okay, loud or hard, I don't know. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yep. All right. Okay, you guys are really making me crazy. Okay. Hey, hello guys, I'm live, Okay, H4 open. Okay, let's see. When we are talking about H4, alright. You see this thing is here. How this close? Rejected. Correct, rejected. Okay, and support formed. But this area, it can be an area to tell us that yeah, it's so hilarious, right? Yeah. Okay, control, man, come on, control. Okay, so support has formed up. If this H4 has closed, not if, H4 has already closed. Okay, looks like support, and this yeah, serious face now. Okay. Okay, so red candle here. The last H4 has closed as a support now. Okay, right. We have plunged before to test it into this area here. This red candle, you can see here. So over at this point, there are plenty to take before it's going to swing back. So highly likely, what we are going to wait for is a support in the above the area to go for the buy, right? So H4 close. Let's look at H1. H1 set up the support. Okay, yeah, all right, and over at this point, okay, and we can right, we can over what? Let's be serious. All right, okay. Okay. Okay, so the support over here, we have been into this area to get another area to buy up, correct? Get into another area to buy it up. So H1 close with the H4 over here, or the closing with a support. So the support is really, seems like it's very strong to go further up to get the highs up there, to recover all these that we have been talking about. So we can see, let's talk about this area here. We are looking into some areas to as a resistance up here. Since yesterday I'm talking about this, correct? 127,628. Okay, 127,628. Okay, control, man. Come on, pound dollar. Okay, we can see here, taken out the highs, it went down, set up the support. Yes, this is the buying area. This is the buying area. So this area is to go for the buy. Like I said, if this is actually coming in back here, it's only a pullback to set up the higher low. Then it will go up further again. Okay, because the area below here has already set up the support. So this gap may not be filled. Okay, this may not be filled. Alright. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that is all. Okay, so likely we are going to look out for some more buying. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay. Right. Thank you so much. Okay, that should be all for today. Sabrina went to Kibel to practice too. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. Sabrina, did you went to Kibel to practice the strategy that the Caro was saying? Cough loudly. So, Caro, next time when you cough loudly, I will know what to do. I know what to do. I will turn away. All right. Okay. Sabrina replies, I guess that strategy only works well on boys, not for girls. Else the girls will have additional pad underneath. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, she was saying it only works well on the boys, not for the girls. Or else there were additional pad underneath. Okay. Yes, it's Friday. Let's get crazy. Let your hair down. Okay. All right. Yeah, one of the best sessions here. Okay. Well. Okay. So, well, yes. All right. Yes. Okay. Yes. And right. Then we will. Yep. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's it. I don't want to talk anymore. Yeah, that's it. I don't want to talk anymore. Right, and let's see. Okay, we will see how the pound dollar will go. Okay. Even my girlfriend came to a study room to check what's going on. Really? Okay. Hi, girlfriend. How are you, girlfriend? Perhaps she's watching the live out there in the garden. No, maybe the garden is too cold right now. Right. In the kitchen, in front of the bar. Yes. Okay, but Sabrina will wet her skirt. So don't cough too hard, okay? Alright. Okay, guys, so here's the plan for the pound dollar. Okay, serious. Okay, so we are moving up to get some high up there to recover some more. Okay, let's get this away before you get confused with what we are talking about. So with H4 from the okay, yeah, all right. What's the feedback? Okay, so after H4 has closed from the past 1 hour here, and we have set up very nice moving up to recover the selling earlier on in this morning. With this, it still continue to take they are trying to take the highs from yesterday. Okay, then more or less we are looking into this area of 127.62.8. Okay. Oh really? Oh, thank you, girlfriend. Thank you so much. Okay, so if this is going to continue to bring another higher lows, then highly likely we are going to take the highs up there, creating very nice move of the buyers for the buyers. Then after that we will look out for the selling. All right. Okay. All right. So so over at this point, okay, yeah, and we will be looking out more. We are looking out for more selling later on up there, right? But there's high impact news later on. Please be careful. Okay. All right. Okay. So hang on with that. Okay. Hang on with that. Okay. Yeah. For the euro dollar, still should be on the buy side. Okay. It take out the highs. It got rejected down. And now setting up a support push even higher right to the area here. So you can see here this area, this candle here, this here, this sorry, not candle here, this resistance here, correct? So this area here, they are trying to push above this whole area. Okay, if you go right down, okay, with this drawing here like this, okay, like this. Okay, let's go to H1. See what it means? 30. Okay, or hit, sorry, the day one here. Over here, okay, over at this point here, can you see this area here? Okay, so this is where it actually covers and bounce back now. Okay. Yeah, sometimes there's some glitch, technical glitch in my voice. Okay, all right. When you happen to be in Thailand, this voice will comes in sometimes. Yeah. Okay, so for euro dollar, as you can see, if you plot it out the whole area, okay, you can see where this is coming from. Okay, so highly likely we are going also to look out for some buying. Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this whole area is the day one area. So we can see that we are still moving towards 108673. So look out if you are buying, okay, they are creating. So I would rather wait for it to reach this area. If this is going to sell off again, then I'm going to take this area. Okay, so I would prefer to wait. If you are good at buying on this, yeah, go ahead. Okay, grab that profits and close for the week. All right. Okay, yeah. So that's for the euro dollar. And let's take a look at the gold wise. The gold is still moving towards our target of the Hong Kong high, correct? Okay, so let's wait for it to take this out. Then you see it's also creating. Now it's also creating. Look at H1 probably. Sorry, H4. H4 closes. Okay, H4 closes with resistance. So they may have a chance they will go up to take this, creating a wick down, flip over, and there it goes. Okay, there it goes to collect something down there where we have earlier on we are talking about this area where it recovered, where it filled up this gap here, then to confirm the support with this week. Okay, all right. Okay, EU, where should I buy? After it set up the support, you are already in the buying area. You are already in the buying area. I cannot tell you which area because I cannot read the future. Okay, I don't. Okay. Okay, so just wait for the candle to form. Another red or green candle, a support that comes in, then you can, yeah, then that will be a good buy. All right. So that is the whole area. You are already in the area, but you have limited. You are limited. You have about only 10 to 12, 13, 12, 12. Yeah, about 12. Okay. Right. Okay. So yeah, that's the area. Okay. Yes. Okay. do hop into the Discord. Okay, so that I think later on we can still look out for something there. Okay, all right. Okay, so that should be all for now, and that is about all. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you guys. I'm running late. I have to go. Okay, it's another TTG. Okay, it's another TTG. All right, so look out for that area, but cut it. I prefer to sell. I prefer to sell and into this area or this area. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, and thank you, Caro. Yeah, you burst my tears today. I will practice the strategy. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So, well, that should be all for today. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Have a great weekend. See you again. Okay. Not on the Monday, because Monday I won't be around. Okay, so see you next week. Okay, next Tuesday. Okay, when I'm back. All right. So I will have a blast weekend. Okay, meet up whatever you want to meet up. Okay, later on. Okay. yes. Your manual in the Discord. All right. See you again, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Wait. 来了。